Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is one of the best jumbo floor pillows on the market, the BigMouth X Squishmallows Original Inflat-A-Pal. This inflatable floor pillow is not just any cushion. It's a jumbo animal cushion lounger designed especially for kids, combining both fun and comfort in a playful package. First off, let's talk about the design. The Inflat-A-Pal comes in 4 charming Squishmallows characters: Ronnie the cow, Holly the owl, Leonard the lion, and Kevin the koala. Each character is crafted with a soft, plush fabric top that provides a cozy surface, while the bottom features a non-slip material to keep it steady on various floor types. It's perfect for bedrooms, playrooms, dorm rooms, or even outdoor use like camping or lounging on the grass. One of the standout features is how easy it is to use. The pillow inflates quickly with the included hand pump, reaching a generous size of about 3 feet wide. When deflated, it folds up neatly for storage, making it a space-saving solution for small apartments or rooms. Despite being inflatable, the pillow maintains a soft and fluffy feel thanks to its plush fabric covering, creating a comfortable spot for kids to sit, lounge, or even use as a decorative piece. In terms of versatility, the Inflat-A-Pal truly shines. Whether it's an extra seat for movie nights, a cozy nook for reading or studying, or simply a fun decorative element in a child's room, this inflatable floor pillow fits the bill. Its large surface area and soft texture make it an inviting place for kids to relax or play. Now, let's look at the materials and build. The pillow is made from durable polyester with a cotton fill inside the plush top layer, ensuring it's soft but also sturdy enough to handle regular use. The inflatable core means it has some give and bounce, differentiating it from traditional stuffed floor cushions. This makes it lightweight and portable, but also easy to clean since you can wipe down the outer fabric and deflate it when needed. Measuring 44.5 by 42 inches and weighing just over 4.5 pounds, the Inflat-A-Pal is easy for kids to move around and parents to store. The included hand pump simplifies the inflation process, and the large valve helps with quick setup or deflation. This means you can take it on the go, whether it's to a friend's house, a picnic, or a weekend getaway. Overall, the BigMouth X Squishmallows Original Inflat-A-Pal combines the beloved Squishmallows aesthetic with practical, inflatable comfort. It adds a fun and functional element to any space, making it a great choice for anyone looking for a large, cozy floor pillow that doubles as an adorable animal cushion lounger. If you're after a playful yet practical addition to your kid's room or living space, this jumbo inflatable floor pillow is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest reviews on the best products out there. See you next time.